In today's video, we are going to be comparing New York, New York and Park MGM. They are neighbors right next door to each other. They are both MGM properties and they are similarly priced. But the reason we're comparing these two is because both of these hotels are adjacent to T-Mobile Arena. So if you are coming to an event here, right behind me at T-Mobile Arena, you probably want to stay at one of these locations. But each of these hotels have their pros and their cons. So we're going to take you around both of these hotels, and that way you can decide which might be best for you. Let's step right into the rooms. So first, looking at New York, New York, these rooms are 350 square feet. They have recently been remodeled. They have a Soho look to them. That's the name of the room, a Soho King. And they're sort of minimalist as far as furniture is concerned. Even the closet area is not a true closet, but I do like some of the pops of color that are in this room. The bathroom looks like it wasn't remodeled. It's kind of basic and it maintains the old tile that they had in the previous iteration of the room. Overall, though, I think this room is good. I like the artwork that they have around the room, and it feels new and fresh. Now, the rooms at Park MGM, I'd say they can use a remodel. I'm not even sure exactly what they were going for here, but this dark green is not very flattering. I feel like they were trying to go for some industrial look with that exposed wiring there. And again, this is kind of an open closet area. So this closet's open, but this door actually closes, and that's the door to the bathroom. The bathroom itself is pretty small, but this feels a little bit newer than New York, New York. The tile work is new, the countertops are new. So the bathroom feels much nicer than the New York, New York room. If the pool's very important to you, well, we're gonna make this decision really easy for you. This is the New York, New York pool. This is it. This is all that I got for you. And it's right next to the street. It's just not very impressive at all. The pool area at Park MGM is much nicer. There are 3 pools at Park MGM. 2 of them are family friendly and 1 is adults only. But you'll notice that there's plenty of seating and umbrellas. Everything is just well maintained and it just has a nice feel to it. This adults only area can be great if you don't have the kids with you and just want to spend some time with friends or with your loved one. Now you do have access to the Nomad pool if you book a cabana. Nomad is the top 4 floors. It's considered a separate hotel. If you book a cabana, you can use this pool. It's much quieter. Now, street tacos were found here at the pool area, and I thought that was pretty cool. Had to point it out. So let's talk food at each location, starting with New York, New York. New York, New York has 9 Fine Irishmen. This is your typical Irish food, Irish pub. Then there's Tom's Urban, which has American food. Beer House, which clearly has beer and American food as well. Now, if you're looking for a steakhouse, you have a couple of options. There's Gallagher's here, and they also have outside Nurserat, which is Salt Bay. If you've ever heard of Salt Bay, this is going to be a very expensive steakhouse to come to if you're looking for something very special. It's right outside of T-Mobile. Chin Chin has Chinese food, but they also have a breakfast buffet that has been popular in the past. Il Fornau is a Italian food restaurant, but they also have a little bakery section. So if you want to just kind of grab and go pastries, you can do that here. They also have González y González, which has Mexican food. It's pretty good. They have delicious margaritas here as well. If you're looking to have a good burger, you can head to Broadway Burger Bar and Grill, or if you don't feel like doing that, you can also go outside and they have a Shake Shack there as well. Now, there's also this little food court area with hot dogs, crepes. They have some of the best pizza at Sorrisio's, so don't miss that. And lastly, at New York, New York, your 24/7 cafe is America. It's really good food. I highly recommend trying it. Over at Park MGM, you're gonna find Italy. This place is absolutely amazing. There's so many options to choose from. It's sort of like a food hall concept. There's Toscana inside of Italy. Now this is a high-end Italian restaurant. And then walking around, you'll find Side Betty Grill. This is kind of a grab and go kind of place. It's open 24/7. And if you're looking for something different, try Best Friend. It's like Korean Mexican food. It's actually pretty darn delicious. Now, if you are looking to have steak, you can come to Bavette's here at Park MGM to have a nice steak dinner. And Primrose is your breakfast and brunch type of place. It's really nice. They actually have poolside seating as well. And if you want something really unique, go to the Nomad Library. This is a restaurant, but it actually has a feel that you're in the library. Those are actually real books in those bookshelves. La La Noodle is sort of a casual noodle bar. They have a variety of dishes that you can order, and it's really good. The casinos at New York, and Park MGM, they're pretty much the same as far as the games. They have all the same slot machines, the same table games. The layouts at each are a little bit different. I'd say it's probably a little easier to navigate through Park MGM because it's in one sort of general area. But the one thing that could make a big difference in your decision on where to stay is that Park MGM's casino is smoke-free. So if you are a smoker, well, that's not going to be good for you. But if you hate smoke, this is going to be absolutely perfect for your trip. For entertainment, New York has Mad Apple, it's Cirque du Soleil. They have Terry Fader. Oftentimes they have live bands on the Brooklyn Bridge. They also have an arcade if you're bringing the kids, and a roller coaster to top it off. But if you're looking for big name acts, you'll want to go to Park MGM because at Dolby Live they bring in big names like Bruno Mars, Lauryn Hill, Mariah Carey, Los Bukis, Maroon 5, and that's just to name a few. One thing that I really want to give credit to Park MGM for is the layout. When you're in the lobby area, you go to check in, it's right off of the parking garage, right off of where you might catch your Uber or a taxi. You check in, and then right beyond that is the guest elevator, so there's no trying to search for your elevators. And then just beyond that is the casino area. And then once you're in the casino area, the circulation works well. The paths take you around the perimeter of the casino, and that's where you're gonna find all of the restaurants. So things are very easy to find here. So after watching this video, which of these two hotels would you choose? Drop a comment and let me know. Now for us, it's sort of a toss-up. I think it just depends on what type of vacation we're actually planning for that trip. Well, thank you so much for watching. If you are looking for more Las Vegas content, be sure to watch this video here. We will see you next time.